Okay, so one of the things that we do, like when we're spaces that we're dominating, is we're running drones, we're running thermals. We're able to kind of canvas these environments, right? So when you're responsible for a block of houses, how do you maintain security in that environment? Thermal drones are coming in handy, thermal handhelds are coming in handy, all those types of things. Our squads are varying up their rotations in terms of foot patrols, but we're trying to stay away from playing that game of cat and mouse by leveraging more technology than the enemy is expecting to see from a security company. And that's one thing that definitely sets us apart.
It's almost like more over there. I did notice that this house had a car there.